पहले ट्रिम्बल मोबाइल मैनेजर में हमारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, कनेक्ट कर दिया, कनेक्ट सॉरी अभी सो नाउ वी आर कनेक्टिंग आवर डिवाइस इन ट्रिम्बल मोबाइल मैनेजर. Before while connecting we should do N-trip connection settings. Already we have done. We are showing this one, we are checking, so everything is okay. Save and close. Now go to home. We are getting this much accuracy. After getting required accuracy, that means below 10 centimeters, we can proceed to survey. So for that one we have to go to Q field, open your job, then whatever feature we are going to collect, select that point feature name, then go to digitize mode, then this is the position it's showing, GPS position. Okay, then we are going to survey the land parcel of this one. Okay, so go to there. ये वॉल का पास रखिए, वॉल का पास అది కూడా కవర్ చేసుకోండి. సెంటర్ వాల్ సెంటర్ కొంచెం చూసుకున్నాం. నౌ హియర్ కర్సర్ ఈజ్ ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి. Here cursor is here and GPS position is showing here. So we should tag both by clicking this one icon. Now they tied one each other. Then if you want to survey, press tap on plus mark. Now this is the position. Before that, before saving, you have to select, you have to watch the accuracy of that instrument. Okay, here we are getting at this time 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. This is sufficient for our survey. So go to your field, then this is the position of your instrument. Then for adding, tap on plus mark. Now feed your field. What is the number?
It is again
Number 5. Number 5. We will give 5.
Next.
Okay. Next name. Owner name. Actually here you have to feed owner name. Okay. For example, ABC. Okay. Ward number 1. Okay. Here area we have to fill from owner's document. Then date, survey date, today's date. Then for saving this detail, click on the tick. Now this was saved. If you move the GPS, it will show the point. Okay, ఆ కార్నర్కి లోపల నుంచి వచ్చి ఈ కార్నర్. Now he is moving. See, we are here only, but GPS is moving, instrument is moving, so this is moving. Okay, point already is there. Point is there. So we are going to collect another point. Come. Yeah, see, it's moving. Yeah.
जब का सेलफोन थोड़ा
inner inside corner here, GPS kept it on the corner of boundary wall. Now we have to check accuracy of instrument. Now at this time it's getting 30 centimeters, but 30 centimeter accuracy is more. Okay, so we should not take here. Already this is increasing. Actually it should be less than 10 centimeters for our Naksha mapping. So this is 50 centimeters for 90 centimeters. So at this time you have to wait for some time, 2-3 minutes, up to 5 minutes you can wait. Yes, see, it is 16 centimeters, sometimes it's coming 10 centimeter. Okay, it's increasing. That means receiver getting more satellite data.
Both horizontal and vertical should come
Both,
below 10.
both. Yes, see, this is, yeah, again it's going up. Yes, satellites are only 10 at this time. It's getting 10 satellite signal only. 9 satellites is accuracy going up. Yeah, see, if satellites are increasing, yeah, now it's okay now. 7 centimeters, it's increased. Yeah, it's okay now. So now go to your Q field. Now you can add this point plus same ID 5 and name ABC. We have given previously ABC and ward number 1. Then area we have to fill from a document and date, survey date. Save. Now it's saved. Okay, this point's over. Now we will go to another point. Come. నువ్వు ఇంటి పక్కకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది మాకు కూడా ఉండాలి ఎప్పుడు centimeters and 6 centimeters. That is sufficient. Now go to Q field. This is the position. Now plus add point number 5, ID 5 and ABC. Okay, ward number 1, area, date, today's date. Add this point over. And fourth corner we will see. లోపలికి వచ్చేమో we'll see fourth corner. Already we surveyed 3 corners. Now we'll see fourth corner. Okay, we kept on compound wall top. So this is the accuracy. We will check accuracy 4 centimeters. We are getting 40 centimeters. Yeah, it will reducing. (43 centimeters, 44). It's increasing. Here, area is one side open, 3 sides closed. That's why we are getting at this time. At this time, we are getting 10 satellite signal only. Even though we are getting 3 centimeter and 30 centimeter and 10 centimeter, 19 centimeters accuracy, it will get here. If you wait some time, 2-3 minutes, we will get same ID number 5.
इसको चेक करना पड़ेगा क्या? नहीं, एक मिनट बैक करना सर।
ABC.
ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं इसको?
कैंसिल डिलीट ओके
ठीक है।
अभी क्या करना है?
नहीं वैसे पूछ रहा था, कैंसिल कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, कैंसिल कर सकते हैं।
चेक करने की जरूरत है क्या लोकेशन?
हाँ, लोकेशन चेक करना है क्योंकि हम अंदर आ गए हैं ना।
अच्छा,
अंदर आ गए हैं इसलिए चेक करना है। अभी ये कर्सर है, लॉक कर दो, मतलब जहाँ जीपीएस पॉइंट है वही ले लेगा। ये पॉइंट आईडी नंबर 5 और नेम ABC we are giving for this parcel. ABC, ward number 1 and area, date, today's date. Add. Okay, come. कार्ड वन एरिया जो सर नीचे जाओ डेट सेव तो कौन सा वाला पॉइंट है ये पॉइंट है अभी ये ऐसा वाला है पॉइंट नंबर 8 ये हो गया ये बात अभी नेक्स्ट वो पिलर उसके बाद हम बोलते हैं चलो चलिए जरूरी है कोई ने सीखा है प्रॉपर्ली हमारे बहुत अच्छा लगा टॉवर पॉइंट मतलब रोड एरिया ये भी रोड एरिया ये रोड एरिया ये प्लेटफॉर्म फुटपाथ के लिए छोड़ते हैं एरिया वो रूल है ना ये रोड एरिया छोटी है ना यहाँ से बाहर आने से एंकरेजमेंट होगा दिस इज फुटपाथ है नहीं ये गार्डन में बना सकता है घर के सामने गार्डन है यहाँ तक वहाँ तक यहाँ अंदर पॉइंट से हो गया ना नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हाँ लॉक लैंड उसने तो कवर कर लिया डिटेल वाले वो डिस्कशन होती है बाहर के
अरे इधर का
हाँ देख लीजिए यहाँ आ सकता है 56 सेंटीमीटर थोड़ा वेट करिए इंडियन राइट पे प्रेस दिस साइड वो ब्लिंक का मतलब है अभी देखिए 3 लाइट चल रहे हैं अभी सेंटर लाइट ग्लो हो रहे हैं मतलब आप आरती के चल रहे हैं सेंटर का चल रहा है मतलब आरती के चल रहे हैं
उधर कौन सा
वाला ऑन ऑफ और लेफ्ट साइड वाला
जगह वो जाऊंगा सुबह निकलते हैं
स्टेडियम के पास में सर आप उनका साथ रहना है तो उनकी वाइफ है उनके पास है नेक्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट
करेंगे सर आप
రండి వెళ్దాం ఓకే
ये रोड का पार्टी होगा
ओके सर फर्स्ट कंप्लीट सेकंड
छोटो छवि खींच लिया
Okay, sir. Second complete. Okay, sir. Third complete.
Third complete.
Okay, completed.
Complete. Four.
You see, sir,
All of them, sir.
here we are taking the property parcel corners. So for that purpose, we have set that Q field and as well as Trimble mobile manager. So okay. So after this Q field, we have taken this imagery. Then for that purpose, after getting this imagery, just minimize that one and take this Trimble mobile manager. So after setting all these things, we have to get the accuracy. You have to wait to get the accuracy. That means centimeter. So below centimeter, second digit. That means desired whatever the required. So here it is okay. So 0.01 meters. That means 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter we got it. So then just you minimize this. Then you go to this whatever this you have taken this Q field. So just first corner here it is there. Here the button is there. So just my RATS position is this one. So this if you click this no, if it is coincided this cursor, then you take this single, then enter the ID number. What is the ID number?
36.
Not 36.
36 डालने
36.
उन्होंने भी 36 डाला
Okay, 36. You take it as a 36. So parcel number. Then I am giving the H13, 36,
H
36. Then ward 2. Just for example, we are taking this ward 2. Then this date. Date also you take this. Then after entering all these attributes, just click on OK. Now it is what happened. You see, when it is cursor is no, so it is recorded like this point. This is the original point. You see. So this position we got. Then again we have to move to another corner just to come to. This corner is over, then second corner we kept. As it is, you have to repeat whatever we done in corner 1, then same thing we have to do here. So first of all, we have to see this accuracy. Then you have to minimize this one. Then you have to check this accuracy. This already we have connected with the CORS. So our accuracy is this much. That means 1 centimeter. So yes, 1 centimeter only. This 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter. Then just to minimize this. After getting this, then go to open again Q field. Then you just this whatever the cursor it is moving no, but our this GPS position is fixed. Then you just click on this, it will coincide. Then click on this button and enter the ID numbers. So 36 same number you give. Then you take this H13 H36. Then enter ward number 2. Then date. Now second corner is over. Let's move to third corner.
They have purchased.
They have purchased.
Later on they have purchased.
Owner is
when we are moving, when we are moving along with the rover, the cursor is moving towards this corner. You see, it is already reached. So now, just to minimize this one, then go to the accuracy part. So this you have to wait up to 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter like that. So if you reach it that no, then you minimize this one. Then go to this. Then this position. If you click on this cursor will move. Then fix this cursor. Now just click on this OK. Then enter the buttons. 36. And whatever the inputs are there, it's 36. Then part number also you just imagine. Here now date. Then OK. Now corner is OK. Now 3 corners already it is fixed. So we will move to the 4th corner. Now come to this 4th corner. Fourth corner. So now when we reach now our cursor also the GPS position also reached. So now just for accuracy purpose, again we have to go to this TMM Trimble Mobile Manager and wait till you get the accuracy. So after getting accuracy, just minimize this one and open this Q field and enter this cursor. Then whatever the attributes you enter this one 36, then H36, then ward number 2, then date. Okay. Now, so you see, I have completed 4 corners of this parcel. Now, after getting this XY position of this building, no, then we will send to this, that point sent to this in ArcGIS. So that points whatever XY, then we can make a polygon by using ArcGIS. Yes. So position we got, accurate position we got. That means XY. Z also is there, but XY is a very important flat line. So after getting these 4 corners, so then we can create a polygon by using ArcGIS. This, like this we have to move to the another parcel. So we have to one by one, we have to pick up that. So same method only. Okay. Any doubt?
No. सर जब ये ड्रोन से होगा सर, हमारा पिक्चर जब ड्रोन से आएगा, मान लीजिए उसका जो रूफ है, रूफ तो कैंटिलीवर जो है ना, ओके उसी तरफ आएगा.
See, ORI is nothing but ortho rectified image. That is the fixed with by 120 meter height से जो ड्रोन से लेते ना, तो वो पिक्सेल्स का वो फिक्स हो गए. तो उससे जो ORI से जो ऊपर से दिख रहा वो करेक्ट नहीं है बोल के हम लोग ग्राउंड में आके ग्राउंड कॉर्नर को मेजर कर रहा. तो ऊपर से जो 90 डिग्री से ऐसा लेते हैं ना, ऊपर का पोजीशन आता.
ऊपर का पोजीशन ये.
तो हमारा ग्राउंड पोजीशन मालूम नहीं है. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर एंटरिंग टू दैट एरिया पार्सल, देन वी आर टेकिंग दैट कॉर्नर एक्यूरेटली. So that is the main thing. Yes. Now you see out of, so in some parcels, out of 4 parcels, 1 parcel is not possible to pick up by using GNSS. Then we have to make that point by using ETS, electronic total session. So for that purpose, we have to reach that place and we will take that point. Yes, ETS. So then after that completion of that 4th point, then parcel will complete. Okay. Then what? You go to that corner. I bet you corner better like sir, treated like this.
Section number 1.
1, 2, 3. These are the completed. So now we already completed this parcel. Now at present. So now we are moving to the previous one. So whatever this corporation. So this will. So complete one by one. So after completing this, then we will complete here. Okay. Now we will complete all these things. Okay. So now we will take that corner. Okay.
Okay, sir. Walk చేసి వచ్చేసి చాలు.
Okay. ले लिया था सर